By now, you'll recognise the expression na siar, better, has sin na siar. And maybe you remember nas missa, worse, has sin nas missa. Na siar and nas missa are the comparative forms of ma and donna. Unlike those two, most Gaelic adjectives are easily recognisable in the comparative. For example, lua, fast, nas luaia, faster. But a few adjectives have less obvious comparative forms and need more practice. Easy is furasta. Has sin furasta. Ach, has seo na sasa. This is easier. Has seo na sasa. And easiest, the superlative form, is asasa. J and dói asasa. What's the easiest way? And dói asasa. Diriv means hard, difficult. Ha noper sin diriv. Ach, has seo fuse nas dorra. That's even harder. Has seo fuse nas dorra. And most difficult, as dorra. Jane Ruth as dorra a reinu riamh. What's the most difficult thing you've ever done? Jane Ruth as dorra a reinu riamh.